That's right. Show us how to burp Jessie. That's right. You pat her on the back.
Jessie, hey, buddy.
Oh, is she hungry for more?
Oh, she wants to eat more? Okay. We better feed her.
Jessie, wow. Jessie, wow.
She's in your lap.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, she likes when she's in your lap, huh?
Really?
Did Jessie drink all her milk?
Is she done with all the milk?
I'm good.
Did she drink it all gone?
Anymore?
Oh, is she hungry for more? Okay, well you gotta burp her again. After you feed them, you have to burp them.
That's right, you pat her back.
Good job. It's all gone. She was hungry. She ate it all gone.
Look, Mommy's burping Madison. That's right.
Yay!
Oh, she's still going. She's still burping her.
It's Jessie. Uh-oh. Hey, Jessie.
Thank you. There it is.
Did she burp?
Here's the burp. All right.
Oh, Mommy, it's gone.
It's all gone?
Anymore.
Do you need some more? Here, Mommy, I'll give you some more. Okay.
Anymore.
Natalie,
Yay.
can you say bye-bye to the camera?
Bye, Kale.
Good job.